How's it going, bros? I have to talk quiet because everybody's sleeping in my house, so I'll be pretty quiet. So sorry about this. But today I am So have you ever thought that you want an omelet and you don't have eggs to do it? Well, now you don't have to worry, because I'm going to show you the egg getter. Watch this. Cool dance. Oh, there's this. There's a jukebox. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. So this is what it is. You can see the chickens lay the eggs. They go into here. Sand, get out of here. I'll make one over here, even though this isn't. So I'm gonna make one over here so I can keep it. Okay, so what you want? Oh yeah. This working. Right. Okay, let's see if. Yep, it works. Oh. That was chicken. Oh. Okay, I see the problem. There is a. Okay. Hold up. You know what? This is gonna explode anyways, so. Why even bother? Lay eggs. Okay, get ready to build it. Okay, guys, hold on. Oh yeah, what I forgot to tell you in the last episodes is that I was gonna do a tips and tricks video on this server. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what you will need is a sign, wood, spawning, hopper, chest, redstone, glass, redstone lamp, that, and the redstone competitor. So, there's an egg that got stuck because of what? Not my egg. There we go. Okay, so while they're laying eggs, we'll be over here building it. So what you want to do is start first off with that. Then put that there. Then destroy. Then do that. Then you have that, which is the beginning. Then you go up, 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 up. There's the next part. Just repeat that on both sides. Okay, what I want you to do is put a sign right here that says EGG. Egg. No sign here. Oh, not there. Here. Egg. Done. So once you have that, then I want you to do this. Six on both sides. Okay. Now just follow my instructions. Now put a floor in here. Now put one. I want you to put one more on here, out here. And I want you to. There should be 3 blocks above, 2 blocks above those glass. And up. Uh-oh. Willis. Willis. What? Wait. Okay, Willis will die soon, but so once you have that done on both sides, what I want you to do is build the back of this, and then I want you to build 2 stands, 2 stands. And now, dig 9 out. Oh crap. So do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then what I want you to do next. Take that. Do that. And take 9 redstone. Okay, so that's good for that. And then I'll tell you what all this stuff does later. Three up. It's a 2x3 right over here. 2x3 of glass. 2x3, 2x3, 2x3. Over here. And then do that. And then do that. And now we're almost done. I'll just do that and that. And then I want you to put, where's my trusty fences? Okay, so done with that. Done, done, done. Now just fill this up with 1, 2, 3. Oh, an accident right there. There, that's good. Now let's see how much this has been filled. Still with only 1. but it's getting there. So guys, I think it's time for the end. Hold on, let me get some sand so I can just get some redstone. And let's get this. The sand. What do you think I'm gonna do with that? Well, I'm just gonna kill these chickens real quick. It's not gonna work. Oh, it will work. Hold on. Go off with a bang. And one more for the end. So, there you have it. The end of our video. Bye.